dance is called the man with the hat. 32 count, 4 walls. There is a tag in this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot. Walk right forward. Walk left forward. Right forward. Hitch left. Hip bump. Left. Right. Left. Touch. Section 1 again. Walk right. Left. Right. Hitch on left. Hip bump. Left. Right. Left. Touch. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 2. Bind to the right, touch, and bind to the left, we will touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Section 2 again. Bind right, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, step your right back, kick left forward, step left back, kick right forward. Do a back coaster with a stomp. Back, together, stomp forward, hold 1 count. Section 3 again. Back, kick, back, together, stomp, hold a count. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Last section, make a quarter turn, just box to the left. Cross, back, side, touch. Step right diagonal, touch left, dip your head, and step back on left, and touch and hitch your right with a step on your knee. Section 4 again. Just walk quarter turn to your left. Cross, back, side, touch. Diagonal, dip, back, hitch, and slap your knee with your right hand. So with the count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there is a tag after wall 2. Let me show you the tag facing 12 o'clock. At the end of wall 2, the tag is walk forward with your right, left, right, hitch, back on left, back right, back left, touch. I repeat the tag